same thing, different size, different side. Okay, I pulled a little bit of gray in there, it's fine. And if it makes his beak too small, we'll have to do his beak again, but it's okay. I always figure I get to paint more, so this is good. I like the sharpness of his beak, much better. There we are. I'm gonna need to blend that a little bit. I'm gonna bring darker underneath him, underneath this little chin. It's not black. If I look at the value chart, it's definitely not black, but it's close.